Hello, I'm Nadia. Let's check what you remember.
Vocabulary test, in my sewing kit and in my makeup bag. A button. A needle. A pin. A thimble. A measuring tape. Thread. An eyeshadow. A lipstick. A lip gloss. A foundation. An eyeliner. A powder. A mascara. A perfume.
Well done.